Aloe vera soap has several health benefits to the skin because of its natural properties, and it is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So if you are looking for a brilliant and healthy skin, sit back as I share with you how to make aloe vera soap. So friends, welcome once again. Today we are making aloe vera soap. And so here are some aloe vera. We start by cleaning them. So I start by cutting this part of the aloe vera. Leave in water for about 20 minutes to get rid of the latex, which is the yellowish substance that comes out from the aloe vera cut. Aloe vera soap moisturizes the skin because it's a natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin without leaving a greasy residue, making it suitable for all skin type, including oily skin. And as you can see from the video, this is a freshly cut aloe vera, bringing out its latex, which is the yellowish substance that comes out from the aloe vera cut. And this is what we are trying to get rid of. But if you are using a store-bought, you might not need to go through this process because the yellowish substance might not be there. So I'll go ahead, leave them in water for about 20 minutes to get rid of it. Aloe vera soap soothes skin irritation because of its anti-inflammatory properties. This helps calm the inflamed or irritated skin, making it ideal for conditions like sunburn or eczema. And after 20 minutes, I'll bring back the aloe vera, wash them to make them clean. And after washing the aloe vera and they become clean, I'll start by removing the spines along the edges of the aloe vera. Aloe vera soap promotes healing very fast. It can accelerate wound healing and reduce the appearance of scars, and it also has the ability to stimulate skin cell regeneration. Aloe vera soap has anti-aging effect because it contains antioxidants like vitamin C and A that helps improve the skin firmness and elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. And after cutting the spines along the edges of the aloe vera, next I will open up the aloe vera with a spoon and I will scoop the gel from the aloe vera into a bowl. Aloe vera soap helps reduce acne because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can also reduce acne causing bacteria and soot redness or swelling associated with breakouts. Aloe vera soap can also be seen as a natural antiseptic, which can help cleanse the skin and reduce the risk of infection. And after removing all the gel from the aloe vera and transferred into a bowl, next I'll be blending the gel very smooth with a stick blender. And after blending the aloe vera gel very smooth, I'll transfer into a cheesecloth to squeeze out the juice from it. Aloe vera soap is a gentle exfoliation for the skin. Aloe vera soap naturally removes dead skin cells, promoting a brighter and more even skin tone without harsh chemicals. And after squeezing out the aloe vera gel with a cheesecloth, I will set aside, and next I'll be bringing in my glycerin-based soap base. Cut them into cubes so that they can dissolve easily. If you want to see how I made this soap base, please check the video card above. Aloe vera soap is also suitable for sensitive skin because it is a mild and non-irritating option, making it suitable for individuals with sensitive skin. Aloe vera soap cleans naturally because it is a natural cleanser, removing dirt and impurity while being gentle on the skin. And after cutting the soap base into cubes, transfer into a bowl, then take to the heat for double boiling. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. And to all my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for always being there. I appreciate you. God bless you. So I'll stir the soap base at interval until it dissolves completely. And now that the soap base has dissolved completely, I'll turn off the heat and remove from the heat. Next, I'm going to be adding 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to the soap base. I'll be using 500 grams of soap base for this, and also be listing out all the measurements of ingredients used in the pinned comment. And after adding 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to the soap base, stir together for it to be well combined. And next, I will add to it 1 tablespoon of neem oil. And if you want to learn how to make neem oil, please check the description box for the video link. Or check the video card above. or you can as well access it at the end screen of this video. And next we'll be adding to it 3 capsules of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil capsule is a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. And after adding them, we stir together to be well combined. And next we transfer aloe vera soap into a mold. So I'll go ahead and fill the mold with the aloe vera soap, and I'll be setting it aside for about 4 to 6 hours for it to solidify. But if you want it to solidify quickly, you can also put in the refrigerator. This can solidify within 1 hour. And after transferring the aloe vera soap into a mold, next I'll be spraying them with alcohol spray to get rid of the foam on top of it. And set aside for it to solidify. And this is like the 5th hour. You can see that aloe vera soap is ready. It has become solid, so next I'll be removing them from the mold. You can see how they look like. They came out very nice and beautiful. Regular use of aloe vera soap can lead to clearer, healthier, and more radiant skin. And now that aloe vera soap is ready, we go ahead to test the foaming ability. So I'll be rubbing it in my hands, add water to it. And as you can see from the video, as I wash my hand with it, it comes with a great lather. And now that you have learned how to make aloe vera soap at home, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share this with your loved ones. Thanks so much for spending your precious time with me. See you in my next video.